In every village, there's a place no one talks about out loud. For us, it was the old well. People said, if you hear your name coming from down there, don't answer.
No way. It's all just stories. It's just a well. Grandma always told me never to come here. She said something lives here, something that listens. It was nothing. Who's there? All right, this has to be some kind of joke. Don't leave. Is that my mom's voice? There's someone down there. Help me, I'm cold. What the? Stop it! I'm leaving! Who's there? I'm here. That's my voice. I wanted to get out too. Ah! 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 Now please, no.